Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can pay in store using the Affirm Debit Card. So let's get started. To begin, you gotta launch the Affirm application and set up your debit card by connecting it to an eligible US bank account. Once setup is complete, you can either schedule a purchase ahead of time inside the app or simply shop first and use the card during checkout. When you're ready to pay, the Affirm debit card can be used anywhere that accepts Visa payments. You can tap the card for contactless checkout, insert the chip, swipe the card, or pay digitally through Apple Pay or Google Pay using the virtual version of the card. And if you make a purchase without arranging a payment plan beforehand, then Affirm usually gives you the option to split the transaction into installments directly from the app within about 24 hours after the purchase is completed. You can also monitor upcoming payments, recent transactions, and your remaining balance directly inside the app to keep everything organized. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you out, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.